So hello everyone, welcome to IFAS. So basically all the students who are actually preparing for the CSI NET and they are targeting the June 2024 examination. So for them I'm going to come and I'm going to start a lecture series based on the chemical kinetics, and it is in the completely English medium. As you can see, it is in the completely English medium. So we are going to start this lecture series on our chemistry IFAS channel, where it is going to start from the Monday onwards, and at the early morning 9 a.m. So you have to definitely join with me and join with this absolutely totally in English lecture series. So in this lecture series, what we are going to talk, what we are going to study, what we are going to learn, एकदम ही बिल्कुल ही बेसिक से हम लोग ये बात करने वाले हैं. एकदम like if I want to say, so basically from the very scratch we are going to talk about this chemical kinetics. And I already know that already you guys have already studied about this chemical kinetics part in your BSc as well as in your 12th and 11th standard, but still there are very much confusions that has been created, or that is like we are getting confused in many cases. So वही, so I'm trying to clarify those concepts, clarify those misconception, means मतलब वही जो confused है वो सारी चीज़ें. So what we are going to see, we are basically going to see about this rate of the reaction. So we are going to talk details about the rate of the reaction. Then in the lecture 2 we are going to talk about the order and molecularity, as well as the integrated rate law and half-life. So how do you calculate integrated rate law as well as half-life? And then in the lecture 3 we will talk about the zero order as well as first order reactions, and going to look about are going to learn about different type of tricks, short tricks, which can be used in your examination to easily calculate any kind of problem which are being related to the 0 degree as well as first order reaction. So then in the lecture 4 we are going to talk about the second order and third order reaction. So definitely it is going to a little bit trickier, like a second order in the case of third order reactions there is a little bit complicated relationships are there, but still we are going to learn about it, and definitely it will be very much easier for you to understand similar तरीके से. And then lecture 5 and lecture 6 we are going to talk about the order determinations and the rate laws for the complex reactions. Especially as you already know, the steady state approximation is a very important topic for you, as well as pre-equilibrium approximation. And for that case you have to write the rate laws for the complex reaction, for example consecutive reactions as well as parallel reaction as well as reversible reactions. So we are going to talk about that thing in the lecture 6. And lecture 5 will be the order determinations. There are lots of questions have been asked in the CSI NET examinations regarding this order determinations method. So it is going to be a completely beneficial series for you. So kindly do join from the 8th Jan onwards, and on the morning 9 a.m. on our IFAS Chemical Science YouTube channel. So we will see you soon there. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much and happy learning. Thank you.